In the previous video, we went ahead and made these three methods right here that are part of the playing card class. One is a void that just prints out a message. One returns a string, and one returns an integer and it received a parameter saying how many cards have been dealt, and then we can make the message print out here. So we hop back over to our demo class where we have our main method, and here we created our card object. Now we're able to start actually using the card object to talk to the methods over here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and say that card1, because we can't refer to playing card, because remember, we don't want to create 52 classes, one for each playing card. We want to create 52 instances of the object using the same features from this card, from playing card, so they all have to have their own individual name. So card1 dot, as soon as I hit the dot, you can see that the different methods that I created have come out bold, and some of these other default ones exist here as well. So the first one we had was the getSuit, which is a void, so I'll call that so it prints out the message. The next instance, we were returning a string, so I need to create a string on this side to receive the message. And what were we passing back over? Oh, just a message. So we'll declare string message, give it a default value here, and then say message equals card1 dot, and we want the deal message. So that's what we'll get. And then finally, we were returning an integer. So let's go ahead and say int deal equals 5. So we'll say 5 cards have been dealt. And so we can go ahead and return the new value of cards left. So we'll create another one called int dec equals 52. Because we're initializing it here. And we'll go ahead and say that, scroll down, that dec now equals card1 dot, and here is our count cards variable. It wants to know what variable to pass down. We could pass down the deal variable, which is 5, or we could put a number in there. We'll pass down the variable. And then we need to print out a message saying there are plus deal cards left. In reality, if we were doing this for as a bigger project, we'd probably have the deck as its own separate class. So I'm going to go ahead and run this, and it shows us the message diamonds. And there are 5 cards left. What I did forget to do is actually print out message as well. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I'm also going to go ahead and separate these thoughts a little bit on the screen here, just for cleanly reasons. So there we go. We got diamonds. Cards have been dealt. There are 5 cards left. Now, let's check what happened there, because it passed down, okay, it passed down deal instead of dec, or we're printing out deal, I should say. If we print out dec, now we should get the correct answer. We should see some math happen here. There we go, because we passed down 52, or we passed down 5 in deal, and now we're saying there are 47 cards left. That's the new value of the deck. So you can see that this is a lot of what we've already kind of been doing, hit or miss with different objects. We're now just getting to the level that we start doing this on our own.